I got into FRC when one of my teachers mentioned it to me and was telling me about how you don't need to have experience to join, and so I came to a meeting and then joined. I worked on the lifter as well as on some of the design of the robot mostly.
I started out on FLL, and then I had so much fun doing that, I looked for a team, and this was the local team. In general, I just really like being part of the team atmosphere and making robots work.
My favorite FRC memory was probably when a kid from another team at our Miami Valley Regional came up to me after and hugged me and said, "Oh man, dude, that last match was amazing."
This year the team has grown a lot in size, which lets us reach a lot more people for STEM education. We are going to add more programs to our team that can help reach more age groups like the FTC and FLL programs.
Through FLL, I learned some about programming, and I also learned how to design a robot.
I got into FTC because I've always been interested in like math and science and those kind of classes, so I've been interested in being an engineer. My favorite FTC moments are probably when you go to the competitions and get to see all the other really good teams and get ideas from people that have far more experience than I do, because then you can see what works and what doesn't work and get to experiment and talk to like other teams and other people that have the same kind of interests as you.
FRC has taught me a lot of things. One thing that I especially love is doing CAD design. So that's designing something on the computer that you can then recreate in real life. I've loved robotics all my life, and this was awesome when I found it.